34, you have to find the coordinates of the endpoints of the midsegment parallel to AC. So mid-segment is called the mid-segment because it's the segment that connects midpoint to midpoint. So for it to be parallel to AC, I need to figure out what the midpoint is of AB and then figure out the midpoint of BC. All right, so AB, how do you find the midpoint first of all? Use the midpoint formula. You add the two x coordinates. So -6 plus 4 divided by 2. And then you add the two y coordinates. 8 plus 4 divided by 2. So -6 plus 4, that's -2 over +2 gives me -1. 8 and 4 is 12 over 2 is 6. So -1, +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one of the endpoints. I have to do the same thing with BC. So the measurement, sorry, the midpoint is, so you add the two x values. So 4 plus 2 over 2, add the two y values, 4 plus -6 over 2, and then you simplify. So 4 plus 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3, and 4 plus -6 is -2 over 2 is -1. So 3, -1 is the second midpoint. So my answer will be 1, -6, and 3, -1. Those are the endpoints of my mid-segment. Okay, 35. 35, we have some markings that basically tell me that I have a mid-segment here because the endpoints are the midpoints of both legs of this big triangle. So 2 times the mid-segment is equal to the parallel side. So I create this equation. So then you multiply, that gives you 10x plus 24 equals 9x plus 40. Subtract 9x from both sides. So that's x plus 24 equals 40, and x is equal to 16. So again, pay attention to the instructions to make sure you finish the problem. It says find x and the length of km. Well, km is given by this expression with x, but now we know what x is. We can just substitute 9 times 16 plus 40. It gives me 184. So 184 units. You can always check it by plugging in 16 for x in the mid segment, and you should get half of that, which is 92. So 5 times 16 plus 12, that's 80 plus 12, or 92.